Thank you all for joining us this morning at the beautiful lakefront in downtown Columbia. Summer is already on our minds with the warming weather and the approaching of the end of the school year. Summer in Howard County is special. It's marked by family events, activities, and here at the lakefront, the long-standing Howard County tradition of the 4th of July fireworks. Over the years, families have staked out their spots with blankets, gathered with neighbors and friends, and enjoyed the spectacular display of lights, color, and community. In fact, my earliest memories of Columbia are my dad driving our family here so that we could celebrate our nation and family. Last year, we made the tough decision to cancel the fireworks amid high COVID-19 cases and the risk of spreading this deadly virus among a large gathering. At the time of our decision, vaccines were months away, and only 9% of our population had even been tested for COVID-19. Today, we're in a significantly better place. Vaccines are widely available. Our positivity rate is at 1.01% here in Howard County, which is the lowest to date. Additionally, our cases per 100,000 are at 2.81, which is the lowest since March of 2020. Since the onset of the pandemic, our team has worked tirelessly to alleviate COVID-19 in our community. And we've taken a balanced approach, prioritizing safety first and providing opportunities to stay safe and well. Our progress to date is not by chance. Our residents and businesses have listened and acted upon public health guidance and worked to keep each other safe. Our team of partners quickly deployed the COVID-19 vaccine to each group as they became eligible. And now the vaccine is widely available to all who want to receive their shot. To date, 73% of Howard County residents ages 12 and older have received the first dose, and roughly 59% are now fully vaccinated. It's because of our intentional targeting that we have fully vaccinated nearly 100% of our super seniors, residents 75 and older. 95% of our residents 65 to 74, and 83% of those 50 to 64. Additionally, over 31% of our residents 12 to 18 have even gotten their first dose. I'm so grateful to our team for the progress we've made in the last several months to get our residents vaccinated. And that's why I'm proud to announce that thanks to all of our collective efforts, we will be able to enjoy 4th of July fireworks right here in Howard County. And we will be able to celebrate here at the lakefront in Columbia. We've made this decision based upon the guidance of Howard County Health Department and after careful consideration of Howard County's progress in the fight against COVID-19. We are also releasing detailed guidance to our community on how to participate in this year's celebration and stay COVID safe. These activities are much safer if you have been fully vaccinated. If you have not been fully vaccinated or live with family members who are at higher risk for COVID-19, you should still wear a mask at these events. And practice those mitigation methods we're all familiar with at this point, like keeping your distance and washing your hands. Now, Howard County has lifted our mask mandate and aligned fully with the state of Maryland, but we still strongly encourage those who are not yet fully vaccinated, please wear your mask. We are able to take these steps with the governor because of our successes with vaccinating our residents and our declining positivity rates. I also want to remind residents the COVID-19 vaccines are safe, effective, and everyone getting a vaccine will help us get back to a better normal. I encourage everyone who is eligible to please get your vaccine. And if you want to be fully vaccinated by July 4th, you should get your vaccination this week. There are many opportunities to get vaccinated around our state and our county through walk-up or by appointment. This includes our mass vaccination site right across the street at the mall in Columbia, and those hours are Wednesday through Sunday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. If we can reach more of our neighbors and encourage them to get their vaccination, our summer will be back. We can gather safely with our neighbors for the 4th of July, enjoy concerts and events, and live our daily lives with less fear of spreading COVID-19 to our friends, family, and loved ones. It's going to take all of us working together to get the shots in arms and end this pandemic. So while we're making incredible progress, let's continue to do what we can to put COVID-19 in our rearview mirror once and for all. Thank you.
Thank you, County Executive Ball. I would now like to invite Howard County's Health Officer, Dr. Maura Rossman, to come up and say a few words.
Thank you, Raul, and thank you, Dr. Ball. What a glorious day. We were remarking before, who even remembers what last May looked like, but I think we all know how we felt. So thank you for coming out. Howard County continues to see metrics that are the best in the state and perhaps the best among other counties across the United States. As previously mentioned, Howard County's 7-day average positivity rate today is 1.01%, the lowest to date. Our 7-day average cases per 100,000 is at 2.81, the lowest since March 2020. As of yesterday, 73% of our residents 12 and up, meaning all those who are eligible for vaccination, have received at least one dose. And as Dr. Ball mentioned, nearly 60% of 12 and up are fully vaccinated. Because of these metrics, we are able to lift restrictions on gatherings and the mask mandate. A little more about masking. While it is no longer a county or state requirement to wear a mask, the CDC and governor strongly advise that for those who have not yet been fully vaccinated, that means 2 weeks after your second or first shot if it's J&J, it is important to continue using face coverings to protect yourself and your family against the COVID vaccine virus. We know there are many who will continue to wear a mask for various reasons, whether because they may have young children who are not yet able to be vaccinated, they are immunocompromised, or simply because they feel safer with a mask on. We should all be accepting of those who continue to wear a mask for whatever reason. Those who have not yet been vaccinated are encouraged to seek out vaccination as soon as possible to keep you and your family safe. And as a reminder for those who plan on attending the fireworks here, but have not yet been vaccinated, consider coming to a clinic and getting your shot today. It's across the street. There are many opportunities at large vac sites like the mall across the street, open today, and at smaller clinics out in the community, at the community college, with vaccination at home with our mobile integrated community health partners. For those who might not be able to be vaccinated, it is recommended to wear your mask and to stay 6 feet away from others not in your household if you attend a crowded fireworks or other celebration. Howard County has done an incredible, wonderful job at using all the available interventions to get us to this point, and I thank everyone. It's been a collaborative effort. Doing so will allow us to celebrate the 4th of July and other holidays together. And finally, as we resume familiar rituals and events, please remember to observe safety recommendations that I would ordinarily at this time be sharing with you, such as not allowing children to play with fireworks, wear sunscreen on a day like this, hydrate, water safety, and please don't drink and drive during celebrations. Thank you and enjoy the weekend.
Thank you, Dr. Rossman. Let's now welcome Columbia Association's new president, Lake E. Boyd.
Thank you, Raul. Very excited to be here. This will be my first 4th of July in Columbia. From what I understand, we are going to be getting back to what we do best as Columbia, gathering as community. Doing it outside and hopefully nice weather is certainly a highlight that I'm looking forward to. In Columbia, we welcome everyone, and our lakefront is really the perfect place to celebrate. I'm very excited to have continued collaboration with Howard County, longtime partnership with Columbia Association, and the 4th of July fireworks is one example of that. We are fully supportive of safe events, as has already been mentioned. I think that any shared responsibility we have for full vaccination so that we can all safely celebrate is something to look forward to. I can share that my daughter is in the 12 to 15-year-old range and has gotten her vaccination and is very excited that she will be at full immunity by the time we have this event. CA as an organization remains committed to this celebration. It was missed by many last summer for very understandable reasons. Our open space team actually provides more than 100 hours of support for setup and planning and cleanup in cooperation with the county. We invest our resources at CA to ensure that our county and Columbia community can come together and celebrate. I'm also happy to go ahead and share that CA will be returning our Lakefront Summer Festival next month as well. 5 nights of concerts and free movies, another marker of returning to a time that we all cherish and have many memories around. We are able to have this kind of community celebration because Howard County and Columbia has taken getting vaccinated seriously. And again, I want to echo, please continue to follow guidelines that you know are safe for you and your family around masking and social distancing, and respects other choices in that kind of scenario. Lastly, I look forward to being here with my family for this 4th of July fireworks display and all the other events that define what summer can be here in Columbia. I thank the county again for having such a wonderful event here in Columbia, and very happy that CA can be a partner in that. I'm now going to turn it back over to Raul.
Thank you, Ms. Boyd. Howard County Recreation Parks has worked closely with the Columbia Association and the Howard Hughes Corporation for many years to put on the fireworks at this location. Although we've missed the fireworks last year due to the pandemic, we are happy to continue the tradition this year, although it will be a scaled back version. This year's event will solely be fireworks. We will not have a band, food trucks, or entertainment. We ask that all firework attendees wait until after 3 p.m. to lay down any blankets so to preserve the grass areas. And we hope to start the approximate 22-minute fireworks show around 9:20 p.m., weather pending. In addition to the good news about holding the 4th of July fireworks, the Department of Recreation and Parks wants to announce that we are aligning with the county executives and the governor's orders regarding fully reopening our parks, centers, and programs. Our parks, outdoor sports, indoor facilities, weddings, pavilion rentals, indoor and outdoor programs, and summer camps are now at 100% capacity. All participants and instructors over the age of 5 are still required to wear face coverings when participating in our indoor youth camps, classes, or child care programs. We continue to strongly recommend people who have not been vaccinated to wear a mask. Please go to our website for any additional information. I want to thank everyone for attending today and who are watching online. Now we'll take any questions.
Thank you all.